So I just wanted to show you the AI ads software that we use to show how easy it is to target audiences. I'm in the middle of, as before I decided to record this, I'm in the middle of putting an ad together for one of my clients. Just want to show you, we're doing a YouTube ad and we're doing laser targeting on placements. What that means is I use this software here, and let me show you. So this is TubeSift, and TubeSift is a paid. You got to pay for it. It's, I think, $67 a month, something like that. It will allow you to search for keywords and then find all of your competitors. So you get a list of all your competitors, and you can search through, and you can find their channels, and then you can copy, and you can actually put your advert in. So before their videos play, you can actually pick the videos that these play on. So your advert for whatever it is that you're selling will appear at the beginning of the channel that they're looking to. So in this instance, we're looking for, in fact, that's our client there, Facelift Interiors. We're looking for upholstery, learn how to do upholstery, because he runs an academy on learning upholstery. And we're finding all of his competitors, but also things like DIY channels, woodworking companies, soft furnishings, furniture companies. We've done several searches already and built a list. So this creates a list. All you do on here then is get the channel URLs, and you literally just copy and paste those. You can copy. I've already done this, so I won't do it again. But copy it, and then you paste them into the software, and then it gives you all the channels. So you can see here all of the channels. You can even then we know that his audience is between 35 and 70. So we've set that, and there is a bit of a female bias, but there are quite a few males that do this as well. So we've left that open. And then location wise, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. So you can actually do regionally, whichever countries that, this is a global business. So most of these clients are either in one of those 5 countries. So we've just copied that to target. So we've got show before specific videos here. So these videos are massive videos that doing really well, and everyone's watching that's interested in this subject. So we've got a targeting set up. You can let AI do a lot of this, but I actually use it for a lot of the stuff. But then I do this, targeting and using that information to make the return on investment so much better. So here we put a prompt in Upholstery Skills Academy. Learn at your pace. We found that was a useful prompt. We generated the copy, and then we've picked videos. So these videos are already on YouTube on his channel of him promoting his own channel, promoting his academy. So they will appear in front of people. There's obviously his website. We're only doing testing, so we're doing £10 a day on this test. It's called. We've given it a name, placement targeting, and then we're just going to launch that campaign now. So there we go. That's how easy it is. About to create an ad. Yes, I know. Thank you. So that's as easy as it is to put a YouTube ad together with 2 softwares. Our AI ad software, which is connected to Google and obviously YouTube. Connection is really easy to do. Once that piece has been done, you can then, there you go. You can pick from any. So once these are all connected, these channels, you can launch TikTok ads, you can launch LinkedIn ads, you can launch search ads, Meta, Instagram, so Facebook, Instagram, all from here. And then we track in here. You can track what's going on at the moment. We just started the new month. We're only doing some testing at the moment, so the spend's quite low compared to last month. But you can then look at, say, Meta, go down. There's 2 campaigns, 2 tests running at the moment. You can click on view the results, and this gives you like a summary screen. So he's doing well, but click-through rate's doing really, really well. And the cost per click, look, average click 5.23 on this campaign. It's a good number. We're only testing, so I haven't spent much money. But we're not at the moment seeing masses of conversions. We are getting conversions for free accounts, which is what this is targeting. But the it's only just started, so we're waiting to get some results. In here, you can edit the campaign from in here, and then you can look at the optimization. This actually looks at, so in here you just check optimize for me. It moves the budget onto the best performing. So here, this one's not doing as well. This is the best performing one. It gives you all of the, because it runs multiple campaigns for you with you can run ads and images, so videos and images and different copy, different headlines, different text copy, and then it gives you how much you spent, how many clicks you've got, which is how it's performing. See, I've got one bad one there; it's not performing at all, and it gives you the click-through rates. What it will do is it will stop that ad. So it's at the moment it's optimizing that at the moment. Once that's completed optimizing, the best performing ones will get more budget, so that it will push more into those ad sets. And then obviously until over 2 to 3 weeks, it will give you the best possible results you're going to get. So campaign optimization is in progress. It takes it a couple of weeks or so to work out what's working, what's not working. But the AI has put all this together and allows you to monitor it all from inside the platform without you having to do too much. I mean, all you do is check. It's doing the optimizing for you. All you need to do is set budgets and keep an eye on it, really, just to make sure you're happy with the results. And then it will it gives you spend on the main screen, and you can go from campaign. We haven't got any TikTok running at the moment. These are 3 platforms we use for this particular client. Yeah, but super easy. You can literally go in, pick which way you want to advertise, and within a few minutes, you've got your ads up and running. Hope that gives you a bit of an insight. Also, again, I would recommend you having a look at this. If YouTube actually advertising is very cost effective, very visual. So depending on what your business is, having video ads on YouTube is really cost effective. And then if you find your competitors and then find their best performing videos and put your advert at the front or next to their best performing videos, you'll get fantastic results doing this. So I hope that helps you. But just wanted to share that with you to show how I do things. I hope it makes sense.